let's not deceive ourselves. The RAM of a laptop, of a computer, is it that important? There's a processor, the processor can help the computer work fast. There are other factors that can determine if the computer is going to work. So, is it really important? Think about this. Before I get to show you the different laptops, I have two laptops, and before I get to show you the both of them, I'm just going to do a little demo and show you what I mean, and then we'll come back to this. So, a little demonstration, a little demo to show you what I mean. Now, say this is a computer system, like the RAM space, for example. Now, the more RAM you have, the more space you have to work, the more space the computer has to think. Now, for example, I'm just gonna do this. This is a touch code, I don't know. So, this is a touch code. Now, let's say this place is a 2 gig RAM space. If it's a laptop and this is a 2 gig RAM. Now, the computer has only this place to work on. Now, for example, I put my HP laptop here. I can only work on this place. Now, there's no extra space. There's no extra space for me to do anything. I can probably just put my phone beside this place, and I don't have an extra space to do any extra thing. Now, if probably I want to add another laptop or something here, there's no space. But then, if it becomes probably an 8 gig RAM or something, or if from 2 gig RAM, maybe say 4 gig RAM, now I have this place. Now, there's an extra space here to add this. Now the computer has more space to do all these things. Now, if probably there are other applications you want to work on, some other things you want to run, it's not going to be a bit more laggy like the other one. Now, for example, I want an extra space here to myself. Now I want to add an extra space. I want to add something extra, and let's say this is 16 gig RAM laptop, for example, and then I want to add this. This is my laptop bag, my little laptop bag. Now, if it was not a 16 gig RAM laptop, I cannot put it there's not enough space for the computer. I don't know if I'm making any sense. But then you need more space, you need more room for the computer to think. This is like explaining it in the layman's language about how you need enough RAM. So do you need enough RAM? A lot of guys kept asking me about what kind of laptop you should get. You need the 16 gig RAM laptop and above. You need an 8 gig RAM laptop. You don't need a 4 gig RAM laptop now, because Premiere Pro will premiere your head. Now, the computer does not, when you install Photoshop or when you open Photoshop on your system like this, the computer does not automatically think, oh, Armstrong clicked Photoshop and it's opening. No. The computer thinks in zeros and ones. Now, there are things called logic gates, there are other things like that. Now, the computer thinks like this. I'm sorry if I'm going to sound like a computer science student. Don't get it all wrong. All I'm just trying to say is you need something that the computer needs to work on. It needs quite a lot of space to do all these things. So until it gets to do that, boring. It sounded like a tech channel. All I'm saying is you need a lot of RAM, you need a lot of memory space, and you need all those things that the computer can work with, and it will be easier, like the demonstration of the table. So it's a very decent laptop that's very nice. Don't mind the fact that all these edges are now rough, but because the laptop has been with me for a while, I'm just going to show you something. This is open now, but it's still working, and this is supposed to be the fingerprint that came with it. It's a Nigerian made laptop, so I mean it's not like I don't clean the laptop a lot, but then let me just show you the specs of this laptop. Now, this is the laptop I used to work. I'm just going to show you the spec. It's not so spectacular. Spectacular, wow. So it's not so spectacular, but it's actually very nice. The biggest reason why I think this laptop is a big deal and why it actually choose a lot of graphics issues is because it's a Core i7 now, and it has a 2.80 gigahertz processor, and it's actually very beautiful. It's actually a Nigerian laptop, and I would commend Nigeria. This is one thing that Nigeria has done that is really, really nice. Now, the physical memory is 4 gigs. It's actually a 4 gig RAM. So the Core i7, the Intel processor inside makes up for the fact that the RAM is not so much. So I don't think it's actually a bad it's not a bad system, but then Premiere Pro and After Effects, it has quite a lot of challenges working with this system. Now I prefer working with this one with Photoshop because I don't work with my mouse like a lot of people. I actually type what I do. I like working with the system. And the other HP I got is a 13.3 inch. This is a bigger one and gives me lots of working space. Now here comes the base. This is the base. Now I'm just going to open Photoshop 2020. I'm going to open Photoshop and show you something. This is going to take split seconds for it to open, and this is like the biggest thing, because when you are working with system, you want it to be so fast. Now it has opened. It's this fast when it comes to open, and this is because I just turned on the system now and I opened this file. I'm just gonna go to search and go to system information, so you get to see what the system is. Now this is the HP Envy S360. By X360 it means it turns 360. Now convertible. Now you can see the build. You can compare with the other one, but this is actually nice. Now the physical memory is 16 gig RAM. If you are not so inclined into graphics and stuff, you don't need that much detail. All you need to know is get a system with at least 8 to 16 gig RAM. I'm just going to check the website of Adobe and show you their recommendations about the kind of laptops they think would be very good for you. Okay, so Adobe system requirements. Okay, no, let me Adobe Photoshop. Let me go on Photoshop first. Photoshop system requirements. Yes. Okay. So let's check the system requirements. Okay, no, I'm just going to open the main website. So this is it. Now your system must meet the minimum technical specifications outlined below. Now for Photoshoppers, now it tells you it should have an Intel or AMD processor with a 64-bit support, 2 GHz or faster. Remember my other laptop had 2.8. Now the RAM should be 8 gig, and if you want more, it should be a 16 gig. Now in case for people that ask me what kind of laptop should I get an 8 gig or 16 gig. Now you need a graphics card now, and then you need a 2 gig graphics card, or you can get a 4 gig. Then the 4K display. Now the monitor resolution, you can get this. And for the hard disk space, something 4 gig and above, and it should be very nice. Now this is for the Mac OS, and this is what you should get for the Mac OS. So I think that's pretty much. Now one of the reasons why I got this laptop is this: it came with a pen. I did a video about this. I'm just going to type, since we're online now, I'm just going to type HP Envy X360 let's say review. Just hold on a bit, let me go to the images and show you how it is. Now this is what the laptop literally looks like. This is what it looks like. It's very beautiful, a very, very beautiful laptop. I tell you, I've really enjoyed it. Now this is what it looks like. Very nice, and you can just check it out, check what you want to get. But then I think you should get things that a HP that is compactable, and it comes with a pen. I did a video about it. I'll show you.
What's up, guys? What happens when you don't use a regular mouse to design? What happens when all you have is a pen? A magical pen. I'm going to show you something. I can actually use this to work on my system and scroll down and actually pick the smudge brush. Smudge and work on this and zoom out and zoom in. Awesome. So do you need my pen? I can give you.
From all these, you can pick out what you think you should use and what you think you should get. I don't know, did this add value to you? Tell me the truth if it did add value to you. If it did add value to you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, subscribe. And in other videos, I don't know, I just keep exposing myself. And yeah, one more thing, this laptop has a very nice fingerprint sensor that makes life a lot easier, because you don't have to type your password every time. It's so beautiful and so nice. So you might want to get this laptop, you might want to get a Dell laptop, or any laptop that has this spec and it's so beautiful. Don't forget to consider AMD too. AMD is very nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to show my face. I'm supposed to show my face and say goodbye, but just, I don't know, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think you can afford this laptop or whatever. I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Bye bye.